Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Wednesday the 12th of April 2023. Yesterday we had no racing, so no bets yesterday, so the account's static at 63.3 units in profit overall, approximately. Now that's about 11 units drawdown from the peak of 74.5, so we're still in this drawdown period. Today we've got something reasonable, we think. Nottingham on the flat, 425. It's what is it? It's a fillies handicap, 73-year-old, 1 mile 75 yards soft, model 93. That's on the slow side for a mile. And the one we like is this number 8, Anna's Girl, which is about 12 to 1. We've done better than that. We've got 4 places on at £1.20 for 4 places at 7 to 4. So that's 120 for us because we're 100 times bigger. And we've got £2.11 a win at 18.3 to 1 average. That's £211. They're odd figures because we keep getting knocked back on the exchanges, and anyway we've ended up with £3.31 for an per £8 unit, or 331 at the moment. We may well top that up on the win end. Anyway, what do we like about this Anna's Girl? Well, its first ever run was at York in a novice 6 furlong good to soft. That was a very right in at the deep end, a very hot race. And the winner has been subsequently rated 114. Went on to win the Group 1 Coventry Stakes at Ascot. So they were flying in that race, and this Anna's Girl was out the back really. It was up with the pace for about 3 or 4 furlongs, 3.5 furlongs, and then faded. So that was a pretty reasonable effort given the quality of the winner. And it was its first run, and York is a very speedy course, so that's model 98. But the key race here is the last run. Beverley 7.5 furlongs good to firm. Beverley is a very stiff course. It's model 94, so you've got to factor in the good to firm. But the back end of the Beverley course is uphill. And it's pretty tough, and this horse Anna's Girl ran very well. The handicapper has put it up one in recognition of the performance, and the 2 horses, it came third in that race we think, and off memory, and the 2 horses that beat it were dropping in mark and have subsequently improved. So it was up against it there again, and it ran very nicely in that. So that's what we're doing. We're having a good go at Anna's Girl. So we'll top that up probably with another 100 to get it up to 430 odd quid. Unless the odds get absolutely slashed, but you know, if it comes in a little bit, we'll probably still have another go because it's such a good potential bet for us. So that's the racing there. Forex, big day today. You've got this. It's going to be set up initially by the US CPI data, so we've got inflation data, and then you've got this FOMC Fed minutes. So the market is really sort of going to be thinking they're going to go fairly mad when they get this inflation data, because they're going to use this as a sort of construct into what the Fed's going to say in the minutes, and so they're going to you need to sort of look at the way that the inflation data comes out. Is it strong? Is it weak? Is it neutral? And then look at the way the market reacts, and the market is going to probably. It's been on sort of in neutral recently, so it's probably going to want to have a good push somewhere. So if it pushes right up, then you're going to get a retracement prior to the Fed minutes as people take profits off, and that retracement is a nice little place to trade. Or if it goes the other way and they paste it off, you're going to get a retracement on the upside. So that's what we're going to be looking to do. It's just a case of working out where they're going to hit the buffers on either the top or the floor, and what the best instrument to use is. Equities will be a good indicator. If equities start selling off hard, then the yen's likely to rise significantly. So dollar yen maybe, if you use equities as a sort of a marker, and gold is another one. If they think the dollar's going to get pasted off or pushed up, then gold's got an inverse relationship with the dollar, and we're very sensitive to that scenario. So if you want to get sort of a look in on market thinking, then that's the way to do it. Have a look at gold, have a look at equities, Wall Street, S&P, tech, and if they're screaming in one particular direction, then the dollar yen looks like favourite, as we've said. So anyway, that's what we'll be doing. We're on this Anna is Girl number 8. Where is it? 4:25 at Nottingham today. Hopefully we'll get a change of fortune, and that's how we'll be viewing the Forex. So anyway, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and to the rest of us, thanks for watching and goodbye.